Turning your English upside down, mastering negative adverbs. Hello, learners. Welcome back to our ongoing series about English language learning. Today, we're going to dive into a special part of English conversation: negative adverbs. Yes, these are the little words that can turn any positive statement upside down. Let's unravel the mystery together. First off, what exactly are negative adverbs? An adverb is a word that modifies or describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, while a negative adverb is a type of adverb that gives a negative meaning to the verb, adjective, or adverb it modifies. This can change the entire tone and meaning of a sentence, so it's essential to understand how and when to use them. Now, let's take a look at some common negative adverbs that you will frequently hear and use in English conversations. 1. Hardly. This adverb means almost not. Example: I hardly knew him. 2. Scarcely. Similar to hardly, it means almost not. Example: she could scarcely believe her luck. 3. Seldom. This one means not often. Example: we seldom visit the countryside. 4. Rarely. Another adverb meaning not often. Example: they rarely argue. 5. Never. This is an absolute negative, meaning at no time. Example: I have never been to Paris. Understanding how to use these words in a sentence can help you express negativity more precisely and in a variety of ways. Let's put what we've learned into practice. Here are some sentences. Try to fill in the blanks with the right negative adverbs. 1. She, blank, sees her friends. Seldom, rarely. 2. I, blank, go out on weekends. Never, hardly. 3. He, blank, laughed. Scarcely, seldom. Take your time to think about the answers. Practicing like this will help you better understand and use negative adverbs in everyday conversation. That's it for today's session, folks. We've tackled the topic of negative adverbs and learned how they can dramatically change the meaning of a sentence. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to incorporate these negative adverbs in your daily English conversations. Stay tuned for our next lesson, and keep up the great work on your English language journey.